Ayan, what happened to you?
Hey, drama queen. Don't worry. I'm okay.
Okay, you are in the hospital. I was so scared. Your brother called me at midnight.
Yes, I told him not to call anyone. I didn't want you to worry.
But I'm your best friend. Of course I will worry. I thought something bad happened.
Please don't cry. I'm fine now. Just a few injuries, one broken bone, and this funny bandage on my head.
You are still joking? You are crazy. How did this happen?
I was coming back from work. It was raining. A car came very fast from the wrong side. I hit the brake. My bike slipped. I fell on the road.
Did the car stop?
No, the driver ran away. But one kind couple helped me. They called the ambulance. I don't even know their names.
They were really kind people. You are lucky, Ayan.
Yes, I feel God saved me.
You always say I drive safely, but this still happened.
Yes, I was careful. But accidents can happen anytime.
So, what did the doctor say?
My wrist bone is cracked. No surgery. I only need rest and medicine.
Good. I was worried you needed an operation.
Me too, but I was happy when I saw my brother and you. I felt safe.
You must get well soon. I can't see you in this bed.
I will try, Miss Doctor, but you must bring cake again tomorrow.
Haha, you saw the cake? I brought banana cake and juice. Your favorite.
Yes, you always remember my favorite things.
That's what best friends do.
I'm lucky to have you in my life.
Don't say that, or I will cry again. I want to stay strong.
I know you are strong, but your heart is soft.
And you keep joking, even when you're hurt.
Because if I don't joke, I will feel sad.
You can be sad with me. You can cry if you want.
Thank you, Sarah. Thank you for being here.
I'm always here, silly. Now eat this cake before the nurse takes it.
Haha. But tomorrow, okay, bring samosas too.
What? You are in the hospital and still asking for samosas?
Pain makes me hungry.
Okay, fine. Only one small samosa, but you must get better soon. We still have our movie day plan.
Yes, movie Momos Day. I'm excited. That gives me energy to heal fast.
Good. Now stop talking and rest. I will come back tomorrow morning.
Promise?
Promise. Best friends always keep promises. Okay, now, time to sleep. I'll go now.
Can you sit here for 5 more minutes? I feel peaceful when you are here.
Yes, I will stay for some time, but then you must sleep.
Okay, boss. One last thing.
What?
Thank you for always being with me, not just today, but always.
You are not just a friend, Ayan. You are my family.
That means a lot to me. Now I'll close my eyes.
Good boy. Sleep well. I'll come early tomorrow.
Drive safe. No more accidents for both of us.
Ha ha! Yes. No more accidents. Bye, best friend.